Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get these neon pastel lightning bolts. For this look you will need a base coat, a top coat, an optional matte top coat, a white polish, a pastel pink, pastel yellow, pastel green, and pastel blue polish, liquid latex or tape, a damp makeup sponge, lightning bolt nail vinyls or tape to make your own, and a cleanup brush. First, start with a dry white base, then paint in your liquid latex to protect your skin. Paint your colors onto your sponge, slightly overlapping, and then sponge onto your nail. Do a second or third coat if needed. Remove liquid latex and clean up your cuticle area. Apply a layer of fast drying top coat to prep your nail for the vinyl. Once completely dry, apply your vinyl to your nail, and then paint over your nail with the white polish. Once done, immediately remove your vinyl. Clean up your cuticle area and use a detail brush dipped in acetone to clean up any messy lines. Apply a layer of fast dry top coat to smooth everything out, and then finally add a layer of matte top coat. Here's the finished design. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next video.